Hello everyone, hope you all are well. I am an official member of FOREX BD. Do you want to trade with big funds or become a professional forex trader? Then this video is just for you. Many of us probably know how many opportunities there are for a professional trader, but I don't know why we don't develop our skill for doing work in the international marketplace. It's not hard or difficult to build our skill. For this, you need confidence and set a goal. This confidence can help you to go a long way. Everyone who is a beginner and old person in Forex needs to have a goal. I think keeping this goal in mind, we should follow all tips and tricks and move forward. I think those who are currently practicing Forex trading or who are thinking of doing Forex trading, they should take it a little more seriously. The only reason I can see this is there are a lot of demand of Forex trader internationally, where we can build a good career by showing our skill. Many can say that Forex trading is not legal in Bangladesh. In my opinion, it's legal abroad, so we can make income even by managing foreign funds. And if Forex is not legal in Bangladesh, you can't call it illegal, because the government has never called it legal or illegal, because here you are making money by working hard. You are not making money by betting or gambling so easily. Here you are learning a lot and earning money by hard working day and night. Rather, Forex traders are assets for a country. Of course, you will get a video from FOREX BD about it, but an investor will give their fund only when they see that your trading skill and portfolio both are good. There are many fund providers who are sitting with funds. This company just look at how much skill and discipline you have in your trading system. Most fund companies' rules are almost the same. So viewers, before saying these rules, I would like to say those who don't subscribe our FOREX BD, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update, because your one subscribe can inspire us a lot. Most fund companies' rules are almost same. Like as 1. Your total drawdown must be limited to 10% of the balance or equity, which is very important for a trader, and more than 10% is dangerous for any account. It doesn't matter which account it is, personal or account management. 2. Daily drawdown should be maximum of 5% or less than 5%, so that you can reduce the mentality of overtrading. 3. Don't take a risk more than 1 or 3% in a single trade. It's best to keep risk limit to 1%. In this way, the limitation of monthly or daily loss can be followed, and even if you lose, you can recover it, because many people can't start the real trading with big funds. If they trade with a balance of $100, then if you take a risk of $8 to $10 in a trade, if a trade go against you, then you will lose a large amount. It will have a direct effect on the balance. If you lost one trade, then there is only $19, which will put a lot of pressure on you. And of course, don't take any trade so that the SL is not more than 100 pips. Even if you trade with a large amount, the risk can't be kept more than 2 or 3%, because if your balance is more, you will increase the lot size more, and the more you face loss. If you want to do Forex, you must think of negative side, which is the best thing of a trader. 4. Whichever system or strategy you are follow, filter the trade setup well and take entry with high probability. This will greatly reduce the overtrading mentality. Overtrading is like a threat to Forex traders, which can kill a Forex traders. You will be greedy and trade more than if trade go against you, then you will lose the whole balance. So overtrading is not good either. 5. fund providing companies don't allow trade in high impact news time. So it's better not to open trade in news time or close trades before big news event, because those who trade with technical analysis, big news event destroy their analysis. Many of you have seen it. In the blink of eye, candle becomes much bigger with much spikes and spread in news time. And the most risky time in Forex is trading in news time. Professional trader don't make a trade in this news time, and even if there is a running trade, locks the profit or puts SL on the entry, so that even if it goes toward SL, market can't hit the SL and the loss doesn't happen, and in fact there is a lots of profit, because there is a much high impact that if you don't set up SL, it won't take even 1 minute to destroy the whole balance. Monthly profit target vary from company to company. Some companies don't give any profit target after hiring traders, but the loss drawdown can't go beyond the previous rules in any way. So viewers, I think you are understood of these rules. Before ending this video, let's take a look those 5 rules shortly. 1. Your total drawdown must be limited to 10% of the balance or equity, which is very important for a trader, and more than 10% is dangerous for any account. 2. Daily drawdown should be maximum of 5% or less than 5%, so that you can reduce the mentality of overtrading. 3. Don't take a risk more than 1 or 3% in a single trade. It's best to keep risk limit to 1%. 4. Whichever system or strategy you are follow, filter the trade setup well and take entry with high probability. This will greatly reduce the overtrading mentality. 5. Fund providing companies don't allow trade in high impact news time. So it's better not to open trade in news time or close trades before big news event. For gaining profit, you have to choose a good broker house, because they have much spread and fee in market maker broker house. You will finish yourself by paying their fee and spread. So create your account in good broker. We suggest some broker. First one is IC Market, the true ECN. Second one is Tickmill, they have zero spread. Third one is FOREX, a right broker in Forex market. In 3 account, verification system are same, so you can upload your document in 3 account. Which broker approve your account first, you should deposit on that account. Good broker's policy is also good, so you need to verify first. Verify your account by your document. For your account safety, you have to create your account with strong reference. If you create your account by FOREX BD's link, you will get benefit. FOREX BD can help you if you face any problem. If you create your skill and $1 account by FOREX BD's link, you can verify your account without any deposit. There will be less transfer fee. So create your any types of account by FOREX BD's link. Those who want Forex related English video, they can go to playlist. There have a playlist where all video in English. You will get all link in video description. So viewers, if you like this video a little bit, please press the like button and active with us. And if you have any request, please write down in comment box. FOREX BD obviously try to fix your problem. So viewers, if you like this video, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update. Like, comment and share this video. If you have any request, write down in comment box. FOREX BD obviously try to fulfill your request. So be safe, be healthy, be with us. Goodbye. Ciao.